Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to upgrade your phone on T-Mobile using the T-Life app, step-by-step trade-in guide. You can upgrade your phone and complete a trade-in directly through the T-Life app, formerly T-Mobile Tuesdays, by navigating to the device shopping section, verifying eligibility and entering your current phone's details. Managing your device upgrades through the app completely eliminates the need to wait in long retail lines or hold for customer service. Phase 1. Prepare your device for trade-in. Before opening the app, perform these critical preparation steps to maximize your trade-in value and protect your data. First, verify device condition. Check that the screen turns on, stays on, and is completely free of chips, cracks, or deep scratches. Next, check for water damage. Inspect the liquid damage indicator sticker located inside the SIM card tray or charging port. Next is to turn off tracking. Disable Find My iPhone iOS or Find My Device Android in your phone system settings. To turn off tracking on iOS, open Settings, then tap Name, select Find My, and toggle Find My iPhone to off. For Android, open Settings, tap Google, select Find My Device, and set it to off. Backup data. Perform a complete cloud or local backup of all your photos, contacts, and personal files. On iOS, open Settings, tap on your name and select iCloud. Then tap on iCloud Backup and select Backup Now. On Android, open Settings, then tap on Google and select Backup. Then tap Backup Now. Retrieve your IMEI. Dial star hash 06 hash on your phone's dialer to display and note down your 15-digit IMEI number. Phase 2. Execute the upgrade in the T-Life app. Launch the T-Life app on your phone and log in using your T-Mobile ID credentials. Then tap on the Shop tab and select Upgrade followed by Check Eligibility. Choose the specific phone line on your account that you want to upgrade. Now, browse the available device catalog, select your preferred model, color, and storage capacity, then tap Upgrade this device. When prompted during the checkout flow, opt to address a trade-in device and search for your exact old phone model or enter the 15-digit IMEI number you retrieved earlier. Now answer the on-screen prompts accurately regarding your device's physical and operational health to receive an estimated trade-in value. Then select your financing options, equipment installment plan, or full payment. Review the final trade-in promotional credits, sign the digital e-signature loan documents, and submit your order. Phase 3. Ship your old phone. Receive your new device. T-Mobile will mail your new phone along with a return shipping label. Then factory reset the old phone. Erase all contents and settings on your old device so it is completely blank. Now pack securely. Pack your old phone safely into a box using protective bubble wrap. Attach the label. Affix the provided T-Mobile return shipping label to the outside of the box. Mail it back, then drop the package off at the designated shipping carrier within the required promotional window, typically 30 days. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.